Make room for Javi.
Today we'll be assembling and testing this cart from Lowe's. Gorilla cart. Step number 2. They make this way too easy. Step number 3. 4 cotter pins and 4 washers. I wonder what this could mean. Don't you worry. We'll see. Must be a really good cart. It's already collecting leaves and it's not even finished. One handle. For those who like to use a handle. Personally, I prefer a pimple hook. It's a nice reversible handle. It's pretty cool. The nice thing about this is you take 2 pins out and the handle becomes a pin hook for your trailer. Step 4. 1 gorilla cart. Ready for the towing. Today's my picking up twigs day. Mower's a little dirty, as you see. That's because yesterday I shaved off 5 acres of brush. All the stuff has been growing back. My new toy, my favorite part is, of course, the cup holder. As I ride off into the sunset, I thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more wonderful videos on this channel.
Make room for Javi.